Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update SageMaker endpoints with blue-green deployment strategy detailed guide step by step clearly. To update SageMaker endpoints using a blue-green deployment strategy, start by ensuring you have the necessary permissions and access to your AWS. Begin by identifying the current endpoint configuration that you want to update. Create a new endpoint configuration that references the updated model version you intend to deploy. Make sure to define all necessary parameters, including instance types and other configurations. Once the new configuration is set, create a new endpoint using this configuration. This new endpoint will serve as the green environment. Next, monitor the status of the new endpoint until it is fully deployed and ready to serve predictions. Once the new endpoint is active, it's time to switch traffic from the old blue endpoint to the new green endpoint. You can do this by updating the endpoint to reference the new configuration. Use the AWS Management Console, AWS CLI, or SDKs to smoothly change the traffic settings. Verify that the traffic has successfully shifted to the new endpoint by conducting a few test queries. Ensure the performance and accuracy metrics meet your expectations with the new model. If everything checks out, you can proceed to remove the old endpoint to free up resources. Alternatively, you can keep the old endpoint for a rollback option should any issues arise. Always document the changes made during this deployment for future reference. By following these steps, you ensure minimal downtime and a safer deployment process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.